Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video we are going to learn the grid system in Bootstrap. Okay, so guys, how grid system works, and we'll be seeing also with an example. So guys, let's get started. So let's move to our editor first and just create one file with the grid system.html file. And now guys, let's begin with the Bootstrap integration. Go to the getting started, that is introduction, and here we have the CDN links with the HTML structure. Let's copy and paste here. So we have that CSS and JS. So now I'm going to tell here grid system in Bootstrap 5. Okay, let's execute this file. Open with, and open with Chrome. Done. So now guys, how grid system works in Bootstrap. So grid system actually works on the container, row and column. So these are the three main classes which will help you to build the grid system. So grid is nothing but the columns guys here. See, as you see here, like 1, 2, 3 column are shown with this example. So we'll be seeing it. So now guys, let's move here and get back. So first I am going to add a container, row, column. Let me add a border class so we will understand the column difference. Okay, refresh. Okay, so here you see a full column in the container with row. Okay, so now let me just increase the border color here. CSS style, open and close, and now border colon 1px solid black color. Okay, and just add important. Let's save. So you'll see the difference. Okay, so now guys, here you see one column is divided. So basically, how many columns you can design in one row? So Bootstrap gives 12 columns for one row. Okay, so let me just show you that. So here, if you let me keep this in one line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So right now I have 12 columns here. So refresh. So here you see 12 columns. So now guys, what if you give more than 12 columns? So if you try to give with this column itself, then it is going to continue in that same line. After 12, I give 13, 14, 15. So here you see refresh, it continues in the same. But what in case of giving the exact column names? So let us see that also. So let's get back and let's comment it out this. And now here you paste. Okay, and just add here column md4. Okay, so I just want to divide this by 4 columns. Paste here, paste here. Okay, so will be column 1, column 2 and column 3. Let's save, refresh. Here you see how it's divided by 3 columns. If I copy and paste again, then what happens here? It goes in a 4. So it breaks and shows in the next row, because in one row you can utilize 12 columns only. So for example, if you want in like this 1 1 1, so here you have right now 4, again 4, again 4. Okay, so you have 12 columns. Refresh, here you got that 12 columns. And now again, if you paste here, just if you want only 2 columns, it will break down and show you the columns. Okay, so guys, in this way, so here in this example we saw that if we just paste column, it will continue in one row itself. But here, by giving this size of the column, like how many columns if you want to divide. So according to this, it is going to break by 12 columns. Okay. So now guys, what is this MD? This MD is nothing but the screen size. So let me just show you with your example. Let's go on this grid option. So here you go, grid options. So here is that exact thing. Right now I'm using this medium part MD. So here you see example extra small, small, medium, large, extra large and extra large. So here the class prefix what we are using there, for example we have used here, right, column MD1 and only column. So this is nothing but this column class prefix. So here you see this. So this is a small like mobile devices, and this too comes under tablet also. And then this MD and LG come for the laptop screen sizes basically. And then extra and extra large comes for your desktop, that is monitors. So guys, okay, so right now I am using this call MD and the screen sizes, I mean the column sizes. Okay, so here the example is shown how you are working. So I have already shown this. And now guys, let me show you one more thing about the mobile responsive. So right now I will give LG here. Let me remove all these extra columns and get back with the column 6. Okay, so here column 6. Now if you get back, refresh, so you have two columns in a row. Okay, so here you have two columns, and now I add call MD4. Okay, now paste here, again paste, and then paste. Let's save, refresh. So here you see it's the same size. Now guys, let me just change the screen sizes. Here you see right now it is same, and then once it's the screen sizes reduces, is come to the column MD4. Okay, the code is working with this code now. And now if you want to with the come to the small size, you can just use column MDSM, and you can use by two columns. Okay, and paste here. Now you can get back, refresh. So let's reduce the screen size. So here you see that when the screen is small, it shows by two columns. Okay, if you want, you can increase also, like 3. So basically 3 plus 3 is 6, and again 6. So total 12 columns in a row. Refresh. So here you see on the full width of this, it is coming correctly. Okay, so if you go more small, it is gone to the extra small, right? So basically it's the code of this. Let me show you. So where is that extra small class? Here. So by default call comes. If you want to define that also, you can use here column. I just want to show in a 6 view on the small part. Okay, this is the extra small class. Now if you refresh here, okay, let's reduce the screen size. This is MD, and now this is the SM, and now this is your total small size. Okay, extra small size which has come here. Yeah, so which is working this. Done guys. So this was a second example. And now guys, let us go to the advanced little bit. So that is nothing but the row columns. So right now you have seen how we can size the columns by giving the column names and here, right? But I don't want to waste time, or like if you want to do speed works, then you can follow in this way. Let me comment, and let's copy and paste here. So let's go to the Bootstrap website, and here you see row columns. Okay, so this row columns, which is giving the extra class here, and you can just utilize in this way. So now get back. Let's remove everything. Only leave the class, and here just add a call, guys. Okay, And if you see that in one row itself, it divides them and show the column. Now I want to tell you guys have to be in two columns. Okay, in one row you have to be two columns, that is 6 and 6. So let's go, and here is a class guys that is telling that in this row I want all the columns to be divided by two columns. Okay, so let's save and get back, refresh. Here you see, awesome. Okay, so same way you have more classes, that is 3 columns, and then again this is the auto columns. It will divide by 12 and push to this, and then it is a 4 column. So how many columns they have given I don't know, but here we see only 4 columns right now. So you can utilize that in this way, 3 columns. Let's save, refresh. Okay, 4 columns, let us see. Perfect. So guys, we have seen one more method that you can directly define in that rows. In that rows, all the columns should be divided by this 4 or 3, 2. Okay. And now guys, what in case I just want 2 columns on the mobile view and 4 columns on the laptop view. Okay. So for that, let's go to this Bootstrap, and here you see row call. On the mobile view, they are adding just one row, one column I need in a row, and on the small size they are 2, and on the laptop size they want 4. Okay, so you can utilize this class again same way. Let's copy and paste here. Let's get back, refresh. So yes, so here you see on the extra small size it is 1 column in a row, and if you just go on the small size, here you see, and once you're on the medium screen size, you're dividing by 4. Okay, so this is how the Bootstrap grid system works. Okay, so guys, I just want to show you one more thing about the grid system here, that is nested grid system. Okay, nested is basically nothing but you have a column, inside that column again you can design the row. Okay, so I'll just show you one simple example here and we will end with this tutorial. Let me copy this and let's comment and keep for the reference, paste it, and now let's remove this, we do not require here. I want this column MD to be 6 and the next also column MD 6. Okay, let's break it. So now let's tell sidebar. Okay, sidebar, and here my contents. Let's refresh. Okay, so this is the sidebar and my contents, and inside this my contents I need a row, column MD12 full size, column MD12 full size. Here you tag with a h5 tag and tell content 1, and this is content 2. Let's save. Now you get back, refresh. Here it works, but I just want to divide this content by 6, so you can utilize that also, 6 and 6. Let's save, refresh. Okay, awesome. So if you want, you can just add a class here. Let me add padding and also the border. Let's save and refresh. Okay, perfect. So we have also seen guys how we can create a nested grid system in the Bootstrap. So guys, in this video that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.